everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tasha. Today I am starting a new vlog and kind of continuing my apartment decorating, makeover, moving journey. I have some couch updates and I also just got this box in the mail, which is actually a new pair of dining chairs. In one of my previous moving vlogs, I will link it down below, I got these chairs and a lot of you guys said that I should have gotten the ones with the black trim because I did say that I was thinking about it, but then these ones went on sale, so I just got these ones. And I was planning on just keeping the natural ones that I had, but then when I saw your comments, I was like, ugh, maybe I should order the other ones and then I will know for sure which ones I like better and I can just return the pair that I like less. Because I did get these on Amazon, so they both have really long and quality return policies. So I'm gonna unbox the black chairs in a minute, but I also wanna give you guys a little couch update. I've already kind of talked about this on my Instagram story, so if you guys want sneak peek footage, definitely go follow me over there. It's just at Tasha. But basically, my friend Caitlin gave me these pillow covers from West Elm, and they're really, really nice. And I ordered inserts for them, and I couldn't decide if these pillows were too big for my couch, so I did post on my Instagram story and like 75% of you said you liked them. I'm kind of trying to figure out how I want to organize the rest of the pillows. If I want to take these ones off and maybe get a set of pillows that are just a little bit smaller than this one but a little bit bigger than this one, I don't know, but I think it ties in the black detailing really, really nicely. Oh, another update is I got these plant stands off of OfferUp, and I love this black one. I need to get a pot to put this plant in. I'm on the hunt for a large black pot, but I think this looks really cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it here because I did want to do a bar cart over here, but I do really like how it looks. And then I also got another one from the same girl and I think it looks super cute. I just put one of my monsteras in it and put it next to my cactus. I'm really loving how those two look. Yeah, so here is the couch situation. Obviously, as you see, I've been tying in black detailing, so that's why I wanted to try out the black chairs. I also have some black flower pots. Unfortunately, this one is not big enough for this plant, but this is something else from Amazon that I will show you in a bit. Let's unbox the chairs. Here are the black chairs. They are definitely more of a statement. I think I like the black ones better, but I'm not sure if this is too much. So I just posted on my Instagram story asking you guys. I'm sure I will get a fairly quick response. I posted a poll, but I do think the black ties in better to the black detailing that I have going on. I guess I will just be seeing how the poll does. I'm actually feeling so torn about the chairs because I thought for sure I was going to like the black ones more, and I think individually I do like the black ones. I think they look cooler and I think that they go with my living room space better, but I feel like the natural ones look better with this table. In the meantime, I want to show you guys these planters that I got. I have been struggling finding cute planters and I still am kind of struggling finding cute planters that are big, but I did find this really nice set on Amazon. I got a set of 3 for like $25 and I think they're even cheaper now on sale, but I'm going to use this big one. This is a 6-inch, I believe, or maybe 6.5 inch, and I'm going to use this one in my bathroom. I have a plant in there and a planter that I just personally don't love, and I wanted a matte black one to match my tile floor, so I really bought the set because I wanted this one, but it also came with 2 more, so I think I might use this little one and also put this in my bathroom and maybe put like a little cactus in it. But yeah, I just thought these were really nice and minimal. I think they have them in like a white creamy color as well. So right now I'm going to transplant the plant that I have in my bathroom into this pot and we will see how it goes. Here's a reminder of what the current planter looks like. I think it's cute, but as you guys know, my floor is this matte black tile. So I just think this pot will look a lot cuter, and then I think I might use a little one and replace this thing. So I'm gonna do that and I will come back and update you guys. Here is what the shelf looks like with the new pot. I like it a lot more. I'm hoping this plant will thrive in here. I kind of killed this one. Like when I first got it, I went on vacation and when I came back, it was like 90% dead. So I had to take a lot of leaves off and it's now sprouting some new leaves all over, which is great. Hopefully it will have a better life in here. And then this one is the one I'm thinking of getting a little succulent or a cactus or something to put in. There's also this really cute little butt planter jar thing on Amazon, which I think would look really cute right here, but I also feel like I have this one, so I should probably use this one, but let me know your thoughts. Also, this shelf thing it doesn't fall off the wall. One time it completely fell off the wall, but this thing just doesn't stay on. So if you guys have any ideas for a similar like shelf thing I could put up here, definitely let me know or comment links or something, because I feel like this just isn't going to work. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day. I believe it is a few days later since I last vlogged. I just got out of bed and put on a comfy outfit. I did not get ready because at least the first half of today is going to be an apartment cleaning day. I want to get it really nice and clean in here. It doesn't really make sense for me to shower before I clean, so I did not. It's not super messy or anything, you know, I just have some trash to take out. I want to wipe out the counters and vacuum, maybe Swiffer or something, and I figured I would vlog it. So on my Instagram poll, the natural chairs won, and I was honestly split 50-50 for which chairs that I wanted, but the majority of people said that I should paint these table legs black, which I am hesitant to do just because I do like the natural wood with the table, and I'm also like, what if I paint them black and then I don't like it and then I just kind of ruined the table? But what I'm thinking that I'm going to do is get a little plant for this black pot and then get a black framed print for above the table. And I think that will help kind of tie in the chairs with the table. I know everyone is not going to agree, but at the end of the day, it's my apartment, so I just have to pick something, you know? This is my little cleaning outfit of the day. This whole outfit is from Revolve, and I will link it down below. I'm obsessed with these sweatpants, and they have them in a few colors. This is just the dark green color. Also, I do have some bug bites on my stomach. I have determined that there were a few fleas in my apartment, which is really gross and weird because I don't have a pet. And there was a flea in my bed that I saw, and I think that is where all of my bites came from, but I'm still getting a few more, so that's another reason why I want to deep clean my apartment today. Anyways, this top is also Revolve, and I just have like a little peachy nude bralette under it, but this is a nice comfy but cute cleaning outfit. Revolve has really cute just like comfy loungewear right now, so I definitely recommend checking it out. And once again, I will have a link down below where you guys can shop this entire outfit if you want to twin with me. Before I start cleaning, I just made myself an iced latte, and I'm working on making some turkey bacon for breakfast. Here's the finished turkey bacon. It's okay. I normally get a different brand, and this one's not as good, I don't think, but it's still pretty decent. It is a new day. I realized that I never showed you guys my apartment after I cleaned it. I was having someone over and then I lost track of time. I mean, at this point, you already know what it looks like. I'm all dressed up because I'm actually going to hang out with Tara, and a lot of times we get ready and take photos together and pretend like we actually went somewhere and didn't just change our outfits 3 times for photos. So I figured I would show you what I'm bringing. First is this little dress from Revolve. I think it's super cute. And then I'm also wearing this Louis Vuitton lock necklace that I got from the online boutique. It's Especially Lucky, but they have really cute jewelry, so I'm wearing this. I'm thinking this for one outfit. Tara has a rooftop in her building, so we're gonna try and take photos up there. It's also 1,000,000 degrees out, and I don't do well in heat. When I say that, I mean I get really sweaty, so we will see how long I last. And then yesterday, Emma Chamberlain posted an Instagram photo. I'll put it up, and she was wearing a bikini with a white little cropped t-shirt, and I was like, I want to try that. So I have this really cute neon bikini from Revolve. That's the top. And then here are the bottoms. And so I also have this top from Revolve. And I was thinking this over that bikini with some white sneakers could be a cute little recreation. So that is the plan for today. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. It's just at Tasha if you want to see how these turn out. And once again, these Revolve pieces will be in that same link down in the description. Hello friends, so it is now 9 p.m. Did I vlog at Tara's roof? No. But honestly, the reason for that was it was so hot up there. It was close to 90 degrees today. And then when you're on a flat roof with no shade, it's super hot. So we took some photos. I will insert the ones that I edited here. And then we laid out, honestly, probably only for about a half an hour because it was so hot. I came home, body showered. I hung out with my friend Caitlin really briefly. I personally just don't really vlog when I hang out with my friends because I don't want to shove cameras in their faces, you know, especially if they don't do YouTube. So I did that. We just went to the beach really quick, and then I went to Erewhon, which is just like the bougie, annoying LA grocery store, but I got these cookies that they have there, which are really good. If you live in LA, these are the chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, which I normally don't like oatmeal cookies, but these are so good. And then I got the buffalo cauliflower, I'll show you. To be honest, it was kind of the scraps, so it's not as amazing as normal. And I honestly don't know why I got this because I'm not even hungry, but here we are. I also put on this pretty random show that I saw advertised on Netflix because I feel like I've watched everything that I want to watch on Netflix. So I don't know, I guess we will see if this is good. If you guys have watched this, let me know if it's good. I don't really know if I have any updates. I'm sorry if this vlog is boring. I really do appreciate all of you that enjoy watching my videos and just watching my daily life. As always, thanks again, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!